life, Hillbrooks. This week we're going to have a bit of farming fun. We've been set a challenge, the Crawfords Tractor Challenge. The challenge consists of 5 bales. To have a tractor and trailer to draw forward and reverse in one between these bales. So we're going to have a go. Here's Dad now with the first tractor and trailer. One trailer that we're going to use is 8 foot wide, which means these bales are going to be 10 foot width. I wonder if we're going to be able to do it. The time to beat is 20.8 seconds. For Crawford Farm, we're going to check each bale to make sure they're not touching. This one's tight, but it's not touching. You can park a tractor between there. I think it's safe to say we did it in one, and we did it in 16.18 seconds. Like I've been telling you all, John Deere is the best. We thought this challenge was a bit easy because we can see over the trailer. So now we're going to push the limit. Use a grain trailer. So here's our mini John Deere 6630. I like a challenge. My time is 12.98 and Dad still beat me. Nearly 13 seconds. Now I'm going to have a go with our toy farm. So here it goes. 3, 2, 1, go. As we're in the theme of challenges, I'm going to challenge the Funky Farmer and Ollie Agri contract to this challenge. And I'm going to challenge Cowley Hill Farm and I Farm We Farm and Ollie's Farm.